Hello developers. Today I am going to solve another in-app billing integration error. After integrating the billing library, when I try to display the purchase items, I have received this connection error. Inside connect to billing system, connection failed response code 3. Let's see where did we receive this error. In consumable purchase activity class, inside connect to billing system method. On start connection, received this response code 3. Okay, let's see what does this error code means. Open billing response code API page in Android developer site. This is the error we have received. Billing unavailable code 3. These are the examples where this error may occur. The Play Store app on the user's device is out of date. The user is in an unsupported country. The user is an enterprise user and their enterprise admin has disabled users from making purchases. Google Play is unable to charge the user's payment method. Just check if any of these reasons may causing the error in your case. But most of the times if you are facing this error in the app development phase while you are testing the app from Emulator, then this first reason could be the problem. The Play Store app on the user's device is out of date. Okay, let's go to the app. Check the Play Store version. Oh, Play Store app itself is not installed. So this could be the reason to the error with billing system. So let us install the Play Store app first. I have already posted a video on this topic to install the Google Play Store app on Emulator. So if you need a clear explanation, please watch this video. I will give the link in the description box. But now in this video, I will quickly install the Play Store app in my Emulator. For that, first check which API your emulator is using. My Pixel 5 emulator is with API 30. Okay, now go to SDK Manager, click this Show Package Details, come down to API level 30. Okay, this is the Android 11 API 30. Here, select the checkbox with Google Play System Images. I am selecting this Google Play ARM64 system image. Click on Apply, select OK. The Google Play system image is getting downloaded onto this Android Studio. Wait here till it installs the package completely. Click Finish. Now the Google Play system image for Android API 30 is available. But how to install it onto our existing virtual device? For that, we need to change device configurations. Go to Device Manager. This is the emulator. So first stop the emulator. Now select the three dots and click Show. The path to Pixel 5 virtual device is opened on the system. Now here we need to change these two .ini files. Right click, open with text edit. Now change this playstore.enable equal to true. Change the system directory path. Currently it is pointing to Google APIs. We have to change it to Google Play Store. But before changing it manually, confirm the exact path to the system image. Go to Library, Android, SDK, System Images, Android 30. So it is pointing to first path. We need to change it to this. Make sure the system image name is also correct. So change Google APIs to Google APIs Play Store. Okay, close this file. Now open hardware ini file. Come down. Change the path to Google Play Store path wherever it is pointing to Google APIs. Here, here and here. Okay. Then change the playstore.enabled equal to true. Close the file. Okay, now run the Pixel 5 virtual device. Yes, see the Play Store app is installed. Open the app and sign into the Google Play using the test account configured for your app in the Play console. Yes, signing is completed. Now run the app. Click on consumable product option. Yes, the connection is successful and we have received the product details. So, when you receive billing client connection error with response code 3, that means either the app is not installed on your device or it is out of date. So, please update the Play Store app first and then try connecting to billing client. Hope you understood how to solve this error by watching this video. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to iReka Tech Solutions. Thank you.